Hi, my name is Joe Bongiovanni and welcome to another Frontier Marketing Tip of the Week. Today we're going to be discussing Facebook lead ads. With Facebook lead ads, when a user on Facebook clicks on your paid ad, a custom form will pop up right there for them to fill out their information. It's a great way to encourage people to request information and services from your business with minimal effort on their part. Facebook is trying to make this whole process as simple and easy as possible for the users. Now, the benefits of using Facebook lead ads is by skipping the need to go to a website, you're going to have fewer drop-offs and higher conversions. These are also mobile-friendly forms, so it's going to result in the best possible user experience for people filling them out. Finally, you're able to use Facebook's robust targeting tools to target the specific audience on Facebook that you want to be seeing these ads. Now, creating a Facebook lead ad is pretty simple. You're going to go to your business page and select Publishing Tools, and from there select the option to create a Facebook lead ad. Now, you want to give people filling out their information a reason to give you their information. Is it a free demo? Is it a free consultation? Is it a discounted offer? Is it an ebook that they're going to be able to download? What are you giving the users to entice them to give you their valuable information? Next, you want to select what types of information you're going to collect. For this, typically less is more. The less information you're going to request, the more people that are going to fill out this form. In this case, we would normally collect their name, email address, and phone number, and that's usually sufficient for our needs. Next, you want to target the right people. You either want to select your custom audience that you've already created in Facebook, or maybe you want to select people that have engaged with your page in the past to target. Finally, you want to choose what type of thank you page that you're going to have. On this thank you page, you typically want to have a call to action requesting that maybe they visit your website, maybe they download a free offer, or maybe they give you a call directly. So that's it. It's not very difficult to create one of these Facebook lead ads. I encourage you to play around with it a little bit on your own and see what type of results that you get. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're more than happy to help you with anything that you have regarding these Facebook lead ads. Once again, my name is Joe Bongiovanni, and thanks for joining us for this week's Tip of the Week.